how do you break into the financial writing / blogging industry? Yeah. So what I would say is, first of all, read my book, because in this book, I teach you also how to write like a professional journalist. And there's a couple of YouTube videos in here I linked to, where I have one video in particular, which is 15 rules for how to write like a journalist. And I used to have my own Inc. magazine column on the side. And so I learned a lot from my editor. So I would read this book. It'll explain how to write like a journalist. But I'll give you a couple of quick ones. For the rest of your life, and this goes for actually everybody in this call, for the rest of your life, never put more than 3 sentences in a paragraph ever again. Why? Because we just don't have the attention span anymore. You know, it's intimidating seeing massive paragraphs. 3 sentences per paragraph, that's it. And if you have to put a 4th sentence in, use a semicolon if you can. Also, write at an 8th grade level. I know that sounds out there, but when I first started writing online in various publications, and I've been in Venture Beat, Wired Magazine, Inc., Entrepreneur, tons of magazines. When I first started writing online, I started writing like The Economist, you know, that really boring magazine with font size -8 million. And then my editor told me, he said, Chris, you got to appeal to a larger total addressable market, right at an 8th grade level. And so I did it. My stuff worked out a lot better that way, which wasn't hard for me to write at an 8th grade level, because that's how I think. That's my maturity. I'm still 14 in my mind. Yeah. So that's what I would say. And the titles of your articles are really important. And you want to use certain words like you must, urgent, crucial, etc. And you want to put numbers in your titles as well. And that's one of the reasons why my first book did fine, whatever, called The 101 Crucial Lessons They Don't Teach You in Business School, which Forbes wrote is one of 6 books every entrepreneur needs to read right now, along with Peter Thiel's book, as well as Good to Great and Stephen Covey's book, etc. Yeah. But I think that the way to become a thought leader is to think like a thought leader and opine a lot. You know, just write a lot of stuff online, on LinkedIn. You know, maybe set a deadline date for yourself in your personal calendar to write an article every single week, and be consistent as well. And so for me, I'm consistent when it comes to vlogging. So my vlogs drop every day at 9 a.m. My time on YouTube. And then I repurpose it as well and have it automatically dropped onto LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter, etc. And then I also have shorter videos that are made just for Instagram, and they drop later on during the day as well. But just be consistent. Be consistent. Yeah.